My name is Lance Larson. I teach the medium and heavy duty diesel program in Green Bay. So our program starts off with the basics. We have our first year and a second year. So the first year is getting familiar with the trucks, getting familiar with some of the entry level courses, and then we grow into the second year where we do a lot more in-depth diagnostics and heavy repair and those kind of things. Our program covers everything from front to back of the truck, all the different systems, a good variety of trucks that we work on. We work on anything that you would normally see on the highway, all the makes and models, different brands. There are hundreds of companies looking for technicians all over the state, all over the country. So our program really does a good job of getting the students what they need to know to be effective and be efficient in their job when they get out of here. That is really important to know, that our students are out there working on trucks, making sure the repairs are done properly, making sure they're done safely, so that trucks can keep rolling and people can keep making money. When the students finish our program, they have a lot of different options. We can go into a dealership, go into a fleet, go into parts, warranty, resale, owner-operators, own your own fleet, own your own shop. So the amount of opportunities or careers that stem from this career field right now is really unlimited.